So I think the most confusing part is probably what's this upper contour set with respect to. So I said in class that this is upper contour set of A with respect to this cell here. So this is the allocation 7 and 1. So with respect to this, the upper contour set is just the set of all possible allocations such that the utility of A at that allocation is larger than 7. So the things that I circled is basically every number in this box that has the A component larger than 7. So see, all these numbers 8, 9, and stuff are all larger than 7, and I circled all of them. And in the next one, it's exactly the same thing. So, but I'm still doing it with respect to this cell, and I did it for every point where UB. The second consumer has utility larger than 3 here. So compared to 3, all these number has the second. I mean, not that one. All these numbers have the second component that's larger than 3. So in the next slides, I combine them. So there are like 6 cells that has both a red circle and a blue circle, which means in those cells, UA is larger than 7 and UB is larger than 3. Basically, what this means is those cells Pareto dominate the cell with allocation 7, 1 that I mentioned. So the next one is starting with 8, 8. So I should probably label these things. So these are the upper contour set with respect to this point 8, 8. So all those are the numbers larger than 8, and all these are the numbers with a second component larger than 8. You see that except for this point here, there are no other point which has both circles, which means this 8, 8, which correspond to the allocation 4, 4, is Pareto efficient. So next are 2 other examples that are Pareto efficient. So first, this is with respect to this point. So I circled everything that's larger than 32, which is nothing, and I circled everything that's larger than 0, which is everything. So this point is Pareto efficient as well, because there's no other point that has both the blue circle and the red circle. So this is exactly the same thing with respect to this. Everything larger than 0, everything larger than 32, so this is Pareto efficient as well. So for all the problems that we do, well, except for the one with a bad good, these two to dictate a point where one consumer has everything is always Pareto efficient.